How to set a screen color back to normal on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Settings application. Choose Additional Settings. Now select Accessibility button and here at the top you will see four options: General, Vision, Hearing and Interaction. Let's select Vision and under display you will find different option. Choose color correction and on the section it has been set to blue and yellow. You simply need to toggle the button off for color correction and then your screen color will be set to normal on your Android phone. Also, you can scroll from top to the bottom and bring this notifications or quick settings panel, and here you can easily set to eye comfort. If you wish to set to dark mode, you can select it as well. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.